Hey everybody, welcome back to That's Just the Breaks. Today we're going to be opening up one box of the 2023 Bowman Platinum. This is 2 autographs in every box. This is the mega box. I believe we picked these up at Walmart some time ago. Just haven't gotten around to opening them, so figured what the heck. Let's see what's in here. What have we been missing? So, 20 packs in a box, 4 cards per pack. And there we go. Put those back there. And let's get into this. 2023 Bowman Platinum. First up, we got a Matt Wallner rookie. Arias. Baldwin. Kind of Precious Elements of Nelson Rada. Nice looking card there. And a Shea Langoliers rookie. There's CJ Abrams. DePaula. Rodriguez. Precious Elements of Elijah Green. Nice. And Drew Waters rookie. Suppose we should be pulling one stack at a time. Let's try that. There's a Jordan Walker rookie. Take that. Slide that out here. Let's get a sleeve for Jordan. Put him in our good pile here. Got a Spencer Jones prospect. That's a nice one. Jet Williams. We have Nolan Gorman rookie on the Renowned Rookies. And a Zach Neto rookie. So been finding 2 autos, 2 numbers in these so far. No numbers yet, but we'll get into those. We do find a few ices in this too as well. I think we find, oh no, that ices are in the blasters if I'm not wrong. There's Jacob deGrom, Ardone, Lipscomb, Josh Jung rookie, and a Kodai Senge rookie. Nice. Hoping to find some Gutter and Adley Corbin in this. Let's see what's up. Matthew Libator rookie. These cards are sharp. Prado rookie. Got a Kasevich, Romero, and Crawford. So yeah, 20 packs, 5 cards per pack, 100 cards in a box. Francisco Lindor. There's a Peguero rookie. Hall, Simpson, and Hoskins. Got Martinez, Bergola, Gavin Cross. We have a Precious Elements, 3 Precious Elements in this box. That's nice. Of Tavares and Oswald Peraza on the rookie. Nice. Next pack is a Abreu, Coffee, McKenzie, Renowned Rookies of Oswald Peraza. Nice. And Corbin Carroll. Beautiful. Get a sleeve for Carroll. Put him in the good pile. Love to find one of his autos in here. That would be great. Can we manifest that today? Corbin, Gunner, somebody sweet. Let's go. There's Hunter Green. Beltre. Lesko. We have a New Money, Tamar Johnson. Nice. Show you guys the back on that one. And Acuna Jr. Next pack. Ooh, these are tough sometimes. Oh, come on now. There we go. Gotta be careful with these cards, the corners being really easy, so I'm sure you guys have heard that before. Spencer Steer, rookie. Barrera. Maya. Edgar Caro to 199. Nice for the Angels on our first auto. You guys can see that. 115 of 199. And Tyler Freeman, rookie. Beautiful. Let's get a sleeve and a stand for this guy. Caro's been decent so far. Hopefully he can continue that. Let's get a stand. Slide these over. I'm going to take that last pack here. Last pack in our first stack. Let's go. Moreno, rookie. The Thorpe. Marcharella. We have a icy Precious Elements of Jackson Merrill. Wow, that's numbered to 75, guys. 69 of 75. I know that's hard to see on that. If I can't get that in the light just right. Precious Elements. Icy. I've never seen one like this before, so that's really nice. We'll take that. Good numbered hit. Get that on a stand too. Beautiful. And Tovar to close out that pack. Man, these color matches are gorgeous. Gorgeous. Next pack. So Rodriguez, rookie. There's our regular Edgar Caro. Nice. Zavala. There's a Gunnar Henderson, renowned rookie. We'll take that. And a Taj Bradley rookie. Let's get a sleeve for Gunnar. Put him over here in the good pile. Next up. So far so good. Oops, sorry about that, guys. Got O'Neal Cruz. Wander Franco. Noah Schultz. Ramos. And Masataka Yoshida, rookie. A few packs to go here. Still looking for that last auto. Hopefully one more number as well. There's Mookie Betts. It's a Brett Beatty rookie. Young. Miller. And Julio. Next pack. Cabrera. Miguel, he retired this year. Hell of a player. Chandler. There's a Jackson Holiday. Get a sleeve for Jackson. He did get sent back down. I do expect to see him back up. I don't think we've seen the last of Mr. Holiday. There's a Cabrera rookie. And Manny Machado. Looks like 5 packs to go here. There's Joey Votto. Doty. Beck. We have a Jackson Merrill on the Precious Elements. Boy, we got quite a few Precious Elements in this. That's just crazy. I wasn't expecting that. Very nice, very nice. And a Mike Trout. There's no Hoppy rookie. Keegan, Yu Lee, Masataka Yoshida on the renowned rookies, and Tristan Casas rookie. Beautiful. All right, 3 packs to go. We're getting down to it. Where's our last auto? What are we gonna see? Oh my gosh, can we get some fire today? Let's go. Luis Robert, DeLauder, Miller. We have a Nolan Gorman on the new money rookie. Nice looking card there. And Ramirez. 2 packs. We're gonna save this last one for the first, or for the last pack. Is that how we're gonna do this? Let's see. There's a Hunter Brown rookie. Mercedes. Barry. Nope. Here is our auto, guys. It is gonna be a prospect, it looks like. Martorella. Nathan Martorella on the base auto. Nice. And Javier Baez to end us out there on that pack. Get a sleeve and a top loader. We'll get this guy on a stand and we'll get into our last pack. So not terrible, 2 numbers. 2 autos just like we expected. 1 low number to 75, that's really nice. I haven't seen that parallel yet either. It's like a silver cracked ice. I'm not sure exactly what to call that. I'll have to look on the box and see if I can figure it out. I'm not sure if those odds are still on there still, but we'll check it out and maybe we'll have to look it up. There's a Chisholm Jr., Rincones, Cermak, Garrett Mitchell rookie, numbered to 199. Beautiful. So we did get a 3rd number card out of here. Can't complain about that. That is numbered 71 of 199. Sleeve and a top loader. Won't be on the stand for long, but we'll put him up there anyway. And last but not least, we got a Bobby Witt Jr. to close us out. Not terrible. All right, let me clear off this deck. And then we will get through a recap here. We got Garrett Mitchell to 199 on the rookie. Very nice. We got Jackson Merrill on the Precious Elements to 75. Very, very nice. Nathan Martorella, base rookie, or base auto. And then Edgar Caro auto to 199. 115 and 199. Not terrible. I dig it. This product has been good to us. I like Bowman. This is probably one of Bowman's least favorite products, but I can't complain. We've always had decent luck with it. So you guys tell me what you think. Leave me a comment. Hit that like and subscribe while you're at it. If you don't want to miss out on any future content, you can always hit that notification button. Alright guys, until next time, that's just the breaks. Peace.